Have you ever witnessed justice so profound that it compelled even an enemy to speak the truth? Listen to the astonishing decision of Imam Ali. A Jewish man entered the court asserting, "This particle is mine." Even while being the caliph, Imam Ali stood as a common citizen. The judge said, "Bring forth witnesses." Imam Ali replied, "My son Hassan." The judge responded, "A son cannot testify in favor of his father." The decision favored the Jewish man. He trembled and exclaimed, "I've never seen such justice in any king. This particle belongs to Ali." And he embraced faith. Imagine, if such justice were to exist in the world today, what transformation would occur? A decision that astonished the court, the people, and even the enemy. Justice thrives where authority and ego are set aside. Imam Ali, with his calm and commanding presence, addressed the crowd, emphasizing that true justice requires selflessness and moral integrity. The audience, a mix of men and women from different backgrounds, gazed in awe and contemplation, reflecting on how such profound justice could reshape their own communities. This moment was not just a court case, it was a lesson in fairness that resonated deeply within the hearts of those present. To think, if every ruler embodied this spirit of justice, how differently would our world be today? Such decisions challenge us to reflect on our values and priorities, reminding us of the power of humility and honesty in the face of adversity.